I would just like to say, look how clever we are. Look what we made here at the Cook Shack.
Did we make this, Beth? I think this lady made this. I think it's definitely a Georgie creation.
Well, we have decided, Georgie, in honour of Hall Caine's birthday, which Culture Vannon told us was today in 1853, this is going to be named in his honour.
Shack a Cane.
Get it?
Shack. Brilliant. Shack. Cook Shack a Cane.
Yeah. Shack a Cane. We love you, Shack a Cane.
Shack a Cane pudding.
Yeah. It's all we want. It's all we want to eat, Shack a Cane.
Shack a Cane. All right. Oh yeah. This looks delicious. Here we go.
We have had some healthy as well. Don't worry.
Yes, we're going to have some of the wraps later. But you know what? Let's have a quick look outside because we keep talking about this pizza oven, Christy, and that is one of the things that Georgie does here is a pizza course. And fortunately, the weather has been absolutely amazing over the past few days, and she had the last one on Sunday. Here is the pizza oven. Just beautiful. I mean, honestly, it's just amazing. So in terms of getting this going, Georgie, when you have these courses, it's wood-fired, is it?
It is wood-fired, yeah. And so we start with some sycamore. We've got in the lower shed, we've got a load of little sycamore branches. We took down a couple of sycamore trees here, and they have really dried out. So we start off with sycamore and some newspaper and a little bit of kindling. You can see all the ashes at the back there now. And we get it going like that. But when it comes, it takes about 3 hours to get it really up to temperature. And you start the fire quite close to the front because you want all the heat down near the front where you're going to be putting your pizzas. Once you've got it going, then you go for either oak, if you've got oak, or kiln dried, or beech or birch. And you get that going because sycamore gives a bitter taste to food. So you don't actually want to use sycamore for cooking. So we get it going, and then when it's really up to temperature and you're ready for cooking, if you want to do pizzas, we've done all sorts of other things in here. We've done lamb cleftico, which was delicious with the spring Manx lamb from Tears. It was delicious on Sunday. And it's kiln-dried logs, which I have delivered, and then you get it going with that, and you push the fire to the back, and just make sure it's still going. Put whatever you want, close the door. Pizzas take 2 minutes, and Bob's your uncle.
I love it. And it as well, because it was obviously a barbecue course as well that you're doing. Can you use different things on your barbecue as well, not just like briquettes? You can use different things on your barbie, can't you?
Yeah, you can do all sorts of things. So the barbecue actually we have got just one of those gas barbecues, but I'm getting a Kamado Joe one, which is like a Japanese theory. It's like shaped like an egg, and you get because it's all the lovely juices that drip down from, sorry vegans, but the meat, our lovely local meat, that drips down, that causes that beautiful steam, the flavoured steam, which makes the barbecue dishes so delicious.
I am so hungry.
I'm
so hungry.
Well, don't worry, we've got that pudding to have in a minute. But Joanne Posey, just come and tell us, with regards to cooking things, in this sort of way, presumably you can also do that quite healthily too, can't you?
Gosh. Honestly, I'm pretty stumped by that. Actually, I don't know. I don't know what else I put.
Halloumi.
Yes, you could, but yeah, well, any joint of meat done in there,
roasted veggies
would be amazing.
Marinated vegetables on skewers you can do on there, because you can put them in a dish and put them in there. So you're getting all the flavour. It's a bit like barbecuing. You know what we're like. We're cavemen, aren't we? We love our fires, and we love playing around with them. And the men were so excited on Sunday when they were out here, tinkering away with a bit of wood.
Well, we'll leave it there. It has been another wonderful afternoon here at the Cook Shack. The sun always shines in bright. Until next time, Georgie, thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much for coming up. I really appreciate it, and I love your visits. So I can't wait till next month.
Hooray, we can come back.
Yay!
Thanks so much to Joanne for making the trek, the pilgrimage up here. It's always good to see you.
Thank you for the invitation. It's always a pleasure.